More automakers are using sustainable and recyclable materials in their manufacturing processes. High-tech infotainment systems, AI assistants, and seamless smartphone connectivity are becoming standard features. The future of electric vehicles holds even more promise with innovations in battery technology, autonomous driving, and sustainability practices that will shape the way we drive for years to come. Solid-state batteries are expected to revolutionize the EV market by offering faster charging times, longer range, and improved safety. By 2025, more vehicles will feature full self-driving capabilities, with some able to navigate through complex city environments. More public and private charging stations will be built, making electric vehicle ownership more practical for drivers around the world. Automakers are increasingly focusing on sustainable production practices, including using recycled materials and renewable energy sources. 2025 is poised to be a breakthrough year for electric vehicles. With more models, better technology, and faster charging times, EVs are becoming an integral part of our daily lives. Whether you're looking for a high-performance sports car, a family-friendly SUV, or an off-road electric truck, there's an electric vehicle for everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated on all the latest news and trends in the world of electric. Electric vehicles are no longer just a trend, they're the future of transportation. As we approach 2025, the automotive industry is experiencing a revolution. Electric cars are becoming faster, smarter, more affordable, and more sustainable than ever before. Today, we'll explore the most innovative electric cars of 2025. The Tesla Cybertruck continues to break the mold when it comes to electric vehicles. With up to 800 horsepower and 0-60 in just 2.9 seconds, this isn't just a pickup truck. It's a futuristic, all-electric beast with over 500 miles of range. The BMW M3 brings luxury and performance into the EV world. With 286 horsepower and 285 miles of range, it offers the perfect combination of luxury and practicality. The Rivian R1S is designed for adventure lovers who want off-road capabilities. With 750 horsepower and quad-motor system, it's perfect for those who want an electric vehicle that can handle tough terrains.